guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's video, we are diving in and we are looking at the one, the only SoFi, the stockbroker. We're going to be doing another stockbroker review and answering that main question of, is it worth it? So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and if you guys want to sign up for SoFi, I'll put a link down below so you guys can check it out. Also, we just released a brand new swing trading course where you guys can learn my strategy, how I find stocks, my mindset, all that good stuff. I'll put that down below so you guys can check it out. But guys, let's dive into this. I'm super excited, so let's go. All right, so for those of you that don't know what SoFi is, well, SoFi is honestly just a one-stop shop for all your financial needs. They offer a debit card, credit card, they offer loan programs, student loan programs, loan refinance, they offer mortgage, they offer insurance. But one of the more popular things with SoFi and that they offer is a broker's account where you guys can buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and even cryptocurrency. Now, why a lot of people love SoFi is because SoFi offers IRA accounts. Now, IRA accounts are just ways where you guys can invest for retirement. There's a lot more tax benefits. They offer a Roth IRA, traditional, and a SEP IRA, which is for self-employed workers. Another reason why a lot of people love SoFi is because there's no commission or no fees. This is key because as a beginner or a new investor or trader, you never want to pay commission or monthly fees. That is just a fast track to burn through your portfolio. Honestly, just spend money on unnecessary things and you'd be surprised. There's still a lot of brokers out there that do charge fees like Acorns. But yeah, that's for another video. Now, like I said, SoFi is definitely suited for more beginner investors. There's no account minimums, so you could literally have an account with 1 penny in it. But in order to invest into a stock, you do have to invest $1, which I know might not seem like much, but hey, everybody's starting somewhere, so maybe $1 for you may not seem like much, but for other people it could be a decent amount of money. Now, like I said, with SoFi investing, you do have to invest $1 into a stock in order to buy it. But the great thing about this is SoFi offers a recurring investment feature where if you guys just want to invest $5 a day into different companies, you guys can do that, which is really cool to almost have a hands-off approach. But if you guys are completely new to investing, SoFi does offer a complete robo-investing, so they'll pretty much invest for you with no cost, which is really nice. Now, SoFi is great. It's very beginner friendly, and honestly, it's super easy to use. But with that being said, there is some drawbacks with SoFi that I've noticed. The first thing is the charting. Comparing to other brokers like Moomoo or TD Ameritrade, this charting is decent. Now, the people that do care about charting are traders. Now, for me, I'm a huge swing trader and long-term investor, but I definitely think SoFi is definitely suited for just people that just want to get started with investing or just want to invest and not trade the markets. You know, a lot of people love to have different scanners and studies and just more information about the stocks, and I definitely think that's great, but for maybe some of you, you just want to invest and kind of forget about it, and that's kind of what SoFi offers. So answering that main question of, is SoFi worth it and should you use it? Absolutely. SoFi is a great platform. It's very easy to use, beginner friendly. There's no fees, commission, or anything like that, which is great for beginners. Now, the only thing that it lacks, like I said, is the charting and honestly just more information about different companies. Comparing to sites like Moomoo or TD Ameritrade, which offers studies, stock scanners, all that stuff, which is more trader heavy, I think that is great, but maybe for some of you that could be overwhelming. And honestly, I definitely would highly recommend SoFi. It's just more for investors rather than traders. Now, if I was going to give this a rating out of 5 stars, I probably honestly would give it about a 4.5 out of 5. The only thing that it lacks, in my opinion, is just more information about the stocks and limited features on the charting. And honestly, that's pretty much it. Is there better options elsewhere? Well, I think it all comes down to preference. You know, for me, I love trading the market, so sites like Moomoo are great for me because I can have different scanners and AI systems and charts and all that stuff, which I love, and just Moomoo doesn't offer. But maybe for an investor that just wants to invest for retirement or just wants to invest for fun or just get started, SoFi is going to be absolutely fantastic, and you're not going to have any problems with it. So guys, that is it. I hope you guys all enjoyed my little stockbroker review. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget, you guys can sign up with SoFi down below. And yeah, I'm not sponsored or anything like that, so I wish we were. But we'll see you guys later. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in the next one. Take care.